In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create paid Telegram channel easily in these few steps. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Telegram. Alright, so once you're on your Telegram, next thing you have to do is click on this pencil icon down here. So once you click on this pencil icon, you click on new channel. Okay, alright, so it says create channel, then we're going to name our channel. Then you can add a profile picture if you want, or you can use an emoji, so whatever works for you. Alright, then you click on this mark icon right here. Alright, and you're gonna make sure your channel is private channel. Okay, so this is the link to your channel. Then you're gonna copy and click on this mark icon right here. So it says add subscribers. So the next step you want to do is click on this arrow at the bottom to go to the next step. Alright, so this is our channel. Our channel has been created. So now that our channel has been created, now you need to head back to the main page. Okay, so now we're gonna have to search invite member. Search for invite member. You make sure you click on invite member bot at invite member bot, this one right here. Alright, so then you click on start. Alright, so it says to continue using this bot, please accept our terms and privacy. Then you click on accept. Alright, so once you click that, it says you don't have any project at the moment, so you need to add a project. Then click on add project. So enter your project name. So the name of is how to make money on YouTube. Alright, so what would you like to create? Then we click on paid Telegram channel. Okay, alright, so it says please create a private Telegram channel, and since we've created a new private channel, we're gonna click on done. Alright, so it says please add this bot to the channel admin. It needs add subscriber permission. Then you're gonna go back. So what we need to do is go back to the channel we created. Okay, so once you're on the channel, you're gonna click on this three button up here. Alright, once you're on this channel, you're gonna click on the channel. Then you're gonna go to administrator, add new admin. Then we're gonna search for invite member. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is just uncheck everything. Alright, but leave invite users via link alone. Alright, so you uncheck everything, you leave only this one, and once you're done, you click on this arrow up here, and then alright, so what we need to do now is head back and go back to invite member. Okay, so you click on done. Alright, to connect channel, please forward a message from any channel from the channel to this bot. Alright, we're gonna go back to the channel and we're just gonna type a message, make money. Okay, then you send, then you forward it to invite member. Alright, to forward, you just click on this arrow and click on invite member, and that's it. We'll forward the message to invite member. So then we'll go back to invite member, and what currency would you like to charge your customers? And so whatever currency you want to use, dollars, euros, Bitcoin. I'm going to click on US dollars. Okay, so how often would you like your members to pay? So every month. How much will they pay? So whatever amount you want them to pay every month, you're gonna type it in. So I'm gonna say $20. Right, so now it says please open a chat with our bot father to create a new bot. Copy and paste the bot token here. Okay, so now you click on bot father right here. Just click on it. Okay, so click on start. So all you then need to do is type in / new bot and you send a message. Alright, so it says a new bot. How are you going to call it? Please choose a name for you. So we're gonna name it Make Money Bot and then send a message. Okay, now so we're gonna choose a username for the bot. So let's go with Make Money Bot. Done. Okay, so what you need to do next is just use this token to access. Okay, you just click on the access token, copy it to your clipboard and go back to invite member. Right, so you're gonna type in, you're gonna copy and paste the token right here and send a message. Alright, so your membership bot is almost ready. Your payment link for your customers are alright. So the next thing you have to do is click on OK. What's next? Okay, so you just gotta click OK. Once you select OK, one final step before launch, please add a payment option to your bot. Okay, you can do that in the main menu under payment options. Then you click on OK with do. Once you test your payment option and see everything is working, then you can copy some of the links for your customers. And so this is the easiest way to create a paid Telegram channel. And if you like this video and you gain a lot from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment whatever you don't understand, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, guys.